Hello, I'm Doug Vaughn. I work for American Health Partners, and I'm the Director of Financial Planning and Analysis. So the company owns skilled nursing facilities and some behavioral health centers in Tennessee. We also have some ancillary companies that support those, things like therapy, pharmacy, home health, and hospice. I take care of things like the budgeting and forecasting, do various financial modeling, and it also means that I try to help the operations folks be most successful. We had this monstrous spreadsheet that the financial reporting was done on each month, more than 100 tabs in that spreadsheet. The downside of that, aside from just being easy to break, was it was a headache to maintain. And it would take somebody the better part of a day to update with information from the GL. With Vena, we've done away with that. Any kind of change that's made, it's just automatic, it's there, and takes very little overhead to maintain. The big thing that Vena has to offer, the integration with Excel, is far better than anything I've used in the past. The fact that you can very easily connect that data right into Excel is a big bonus. Primarily, we've been using Vena as a budget tool, and over the last 2 weeks, we've rolled out a rolling 12-month forecast. That was a pretty good-sized project to get that together, but again, Vena made that process fairly simple for us. We're very excited to be using that to look forward and not something that is only for the benefit of creating a budget. Let's find a way to make operations folks most successful by knowing where a company's going.